I'd like to show you how simple it is to create a free tradespeople app account and then a free tradespeople app advertisement. I pass my way to www.tradespeopleapp.com. Once I've arrived at the site, you'll see a button on the bottom right hand side which says click here to advertise your trade or trades company. We click on. Brings us up a form. This enables me to create my individual profile or my account, and once completed I'll be able to log back into this account and create a single free listing which consists of a single business entry without images or videos, but a very successful listing. Or you can create a paid listing for a yearly fee of $249, which works out to $5 a week. You get 50 ads for that $5 a week. So each ad works out to be 10 cents per week. Each ad can contain a video and up to 10 images per listing. With the paid listing are always shown at the top of the search page. So let's start firstly to create a user ID. So at this point here I put in an email address. The reason why I put email address is because in case you lose your password, we can then immediately, or you can log in and recover your password and it'll automatically send you a new password. My password I normally have is the last 8 digits, the last 6 digits of my mobile or landline. If there is an incorrect entry, I suppose I put the wrong number here, it'll tell me immediately the passwords do not match, so I'd have to put in the password again to make sure they matched. Once it's done, I put my business name down here, whatever the company name is. My license, if I'm a builder and I have a license. My address. Now at this point here you can put in a full address and you'll see underneath it automatically brings up the geographical position, or we can just put our Sydney, our city we're in. Quite simple. Put in our website, contact name, contact phone, contact mobile. I could have put in a full landline address number here, but I just prefer to use my mobile for all of my business. My contact email address, if different from the login email, but if it's not different, leave it blank. And I confirm that I've read and understood, accepted the terms and conditions. So let's check again. I've done my email address, my passwords are correct, my name's correct, I may want to put an extra character in there. I'm in Sydney, New South Wales. That's my website, contact name, contact phone, contact mobile. And I click register. At this point here you'll see I'm now registered. I'm registered as Nigel Williams. And it takes me immediately to my user ID or my user account. At this point here I can create either a free listing or I can pay $249 a year, which is only $5 a week, for 50 ads, which works out to 10 cents each per week. I can also log out. So at this moment I'm just going to create a quick free advertisement. So I go to my ads, I click onto new ad. At this point here I select my category, which obviously I'm in computer systems. Show the ad, yes. You can say no and take the ad off if you're on holiday, you're away somewhere, or you just want to get off the system for a while. Just take a note. If you've got 50 ads and you want to manage them and take ads off and on as you require them, it shows you log back in the system and just put show ad here. My address, I'll just put myself down as Sydney. Thumbnails are available for premium users, and the premium user being the person who pays their 10 cents per week per ad. I put in about my ad, so here I can put a full description about my services, what I do, who I am, who my customers are, up to 5,000 characters. And the better the description, the more business you're going to bring in. So take your time to go through this and make a very good description of your business. Now, once I hit save now, or before I do, I'll just check to make sure I've got the right category, show the ad, yes, my address, and I go to full description and I hit save. You're now on the system, quite straightforward. You can log out at this point of time. You can go in and check your ads again or modify the ad. Or you can create a new ad or just go back to your account. I can also, with my account details, I can view them and change them as well. So if at any time my phone number changes, my email changes, I quickly go in and change them. So at this point here, I'm going to now log out. There we go. You have now created an Aron Tradespeople app. Within that section, computer services within Sydney, and a 100-kilometre radius for a free listing from Sydney outwards. If I want to log back into the system and make a change to the ad, I go to my login. You'll see here your email address. I go back to my password. And I'll just log in. I can remember next time, but I don't normally, but log in. And there you go, back to square one again. At this point here, you can, if you want to, you can create a free ad to do, or create a paid listing. You'll only have the ability to create one new ad here because it's a free ad. But if I click here to sign up now, it'll take me to an area where I can purchase $249 a year directly with PayPal. Now with PayPal, I can either use my existing account, if I have a PayPal account, or I can pay by credit card. So let's go back a stage, go back a stage, go back a stage, and I'll just log out of the system. So there you have it, quite straightforward, how to create your free ad, user ID, and modifications to a free ad. I hope you enjoy